Hello Gemini, how are you all? My name is Soumya and I am your tarot card reader, healer and a psyche. मैं साथ साथ स्टाइलिस्ट भी हूँ, शेफ बाय हॉबी भी हूँ एंड ब्यूटिशियन भी हूँ। मैं इधर आपकी आज रीडिंग करने जा रही हूँ जेमिनाई के लिए फॉर जनवरी 2021। आपके करियर और लव लाइफ में क्या हो सकता है आपके साथ, ओके गाइस, या क्या होने वाला है। सो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद यू इन योर लव लाइफ एंड करियर फॉर जेमिनाई। Okay guys, so are you ready my Gemini people over here? Okay, let's start with your career. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my Gemini regarding their career? Okay, Six of Rods. Traveling. Wow. आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एक कदम आगे चल रहे हैं अपने करियर में इस वक्त. What is there for my Gemini regarding their career? Death. Okay. You guys are having a big spiritual awakening regarding your career. You are opening your mind chakra, your upper chakra and your heart chakra. You are opening both. Okay guys. Gemini. What is there for Gemini in career? What is there for Gemini in career regarding January 2021? Nine of Swords. What is there for Gemini in 2021 of January? Three of Swords. I am having a vision like you had a bad past, bad career. Like you had many heartbreaks in your career, guys. Okay, like I'm having a big vision like that. Like you are having a sleepless night every day. You are thinking day and night about your exams, your business, your job, like you will get it or not right now. But this is your spiritual awakening. Right now you're moving forward ahead. Okay guys. During a January you will move forward ahead. You may travel out also regarding your career. Hope you can all see my cards. Okay guys. What is there for my Gemini in January 2021 for their career? Spirit angel, please guide me. Okay, Eight of Cups. I am having a vision like you are still like dreaming about you're too much dreaming. You're not doing any actions. Okay, you're overthinking a lot. So you need to like take actions first. You might take actions during January also. The sun is in reverse. Like, why you are so down, guys? Hold a second, guys. Like, मेरे को ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है जैसे आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा अपना मॉरल खोते जा रहे हैं दिन पे दिन. See, there is a sun card reverse. Why are you like getting your moral down? You will be soon a king and queen. You will be holding your own coin during a month of January, guys. Okay. So you just need to take action. Right now you are just in depression. What to do, what not to do. Maybe due to corona, like many of your things have gone bad in career. Your offices were shut down. Okay. So you will be in your shape during a month of January. You'll be holding your own coin. You'll be your own kings and queen. You'll be taking some leap of faith with the help of the universe. Okay guys. Now let's see what is there for your love life, Gemini. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Gemini in love during a month of January? Okay, Ten of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. But it came reverse. You are with your third parties. Okay guys, you're dealing with the third parties in your love life in past or present. Okay, Five of Rods again reverse. So much tense cards. Third parties all around you. Like someone is preparing to destroy your love life, guys. Be careful, whoever it is. Okay, guys, you are fighting a lot for this person, but this person is not fighting for you right now. I can see that very, very widely. What is there for my Gemini? What is there for my Gemini in love during a month of January? Angel Spirit, please guide me with two more cards. Okay, Three of Cups, Page of Pentacles. This person is watching you with lots of pentacles by females and my males over here. Your person is watching you with a coin right now. Okay, guys, you are like growing so much with your pentacles. Your hard work is giving you a big fruit right now. And there is a Three of Cups which says yes, there will be a celebration. I am having a vision. This person is from your past. He or she have left you in a third party situation, guys. And moreover, like, I am having a vision, if you are married, this person is keeping you always in a third party. You are always giving and giving to them. Unfortunately, they are letting you down always, somehow. And they are stuck in their own energy. They think that third parties are great for them, but no. Third parties are playing opposite with them. You see how people are throwing swords or wands over this person. So it is like that. And yeah, Ace of Pentacles. This is a twin flame connection, guys. Your person is keeping you in a different mode, guys. Be careful. They are hiding their so many feelings. They are lying you. You are very strong person over here. You are very strong. You are working very hard. आप बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्क कर रहे हैं. एंड डेफिनेटली ये पर्सन आपको इस वे में देख रहे हैं इस वक्त. एंड डेफिनेटली दे विल कम बैक टू यू. ओके, see, Queen of Pentacles again, Page of Pentacles, so many pentacles. You guys are king and queen over here. आपका खुद की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट है. Let's see what is there for you. What my color oracle says for you. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Gemini in love during a month of January? Okay, I got here two cards. 28 cleansing. I am having a vision. You are full of negativity. You are living in too much in past. You are too much dependent on this person. You don't need to be dependent on this person. Okay, guys? Like, green color is related to a cleansing. Like, you see how a grass become a greener. Okay, so जब घास हमारी जलती है, बर्न आउट होती है, तो वो कैसी हो जाती है, रूखी सूखी. The more the green grass is, the more bright is your life will be. So you need to cleanse the dirt from the green grass over there from your life. Okay, guys, number 28 is the number of the cleansing. Again, I got the light green color. I said no, you need to cleanse your negativity, cleanse your past out, cleanse this person out from your life. If you want a soulmate connection, definitely you need to cleanse this person out. This person is throwing so much of weight in you. All the balls are in your head with this person, Gemini. So this is a new beginning of your love life, guys. You're meeting your twin flame. For others, you are meeting your soulmate. And others who are going through right now, you are in a karmic situation. You are dealing with a karmic partner. Soon you'll be going to meeting your soulmate. Now let's see what is there for my Gemini in love. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my Gemini in love during a month of January? Okay, message. I am having a vision like this person can message you anytime within this week's or next month. ओके गाइस, डू लेट मी नो. जेमिनाई अगर होता है आपके साथ ऐसा, प्लीज़ मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कमेंट बॉक्स में. within a 7 days or 7 weeks, this person can message you, or for others, next month, this person can message you anytime. What is there for Gemini in love during the month of January? Angel Spirit, please guide me with a relevant answer. Unexpected income. I told you, no guys, this person is watching you all over in social media. If you're working in a social media, you're having your own business, or you're working very hard, this person watch you like a queen and a king. Okay guys, and universe is with you guys, so you don't need to worry. This person may hide many feelings from you. This person is lying you all over throughout. They're putting all shades balls in you guys. Okay, right now you both will have some transformation going on. This karmic cycle may end for you during a month of January, Gemini. Stay in love, my Gemini people. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Child. Okay, this person wants child from you guys. Okay, that card falling down, so I won't take. So this person wants child from you guys. Okay, so this person may make you pregnant. Okay, so you need to be careful, because for some this person is a false person. For some of my Gemini. For others, you can be pregnant with this person. ये पर्सन जल्दी से आपके पास आएंगे, बहुत जल्दी बाहर निकल कर आने वाले हैं आपके पास. ये तरस भी रहे हैं आपके पास आने के लिए. दे आर मोर इनटू लाइक दे वांट सम इंटीमेशन विद यू. ओके, there will be little bit arguments with this person, so you need to be careful. Right now I suggest you to be friend with this person. Don't allow your inner self to be guided with the toxic narcissistic person, guys. Hold a second, guys, please. Sorry guys, my card fall off. So I got some cards here. Unrequited love. I am having a feeling like आप लोगों के बीच यहाँ पे उतना प्यार नहीं बचा था पास में. आप इस पर्सन से मूव ऑन होना चाह रहे हो, बट हो नहीं पा रहे हो अभी भी. जेमिनाई कुछ लोग, एंड कुछ लोगों का तो प्यार है ही नहीं आपके लव रिलेशनशिप में. Okay, passion for others. There is a lots of passion coming around with you, with this person. This could be a new love. Okay, for others this could be a new love. So this person can make an effort towards you. And if this person is coming from past, what I am having a feeling like this person is from your past. Okay guys, I am having a clear vision like that. So you need to keep your open mind. Okay guys. This could be your twin flame. For others, this could be your soulmate. Okay, there is an attraction between you both, and this person is coming to meet you soon. See, again there is a children card. So your person could be married, Gemini. They are having a children, or you could have children with them. You are going through divorce, or you don't want divorce, or this person don't want divorce from you. I am having a vision like that, Gemini. For others, what I am having a vision like, this person sees you like a child too. उनको आप में बचपना नज़र आता है, Gemini. So this was my reading for my Gemini people. Hope you all liked it. And if my reading resonated with you, do share your comments. Don't forget to like my channel, subscribe and share with your friends and family. And see you in my next reading. Bye bye guys. Love you all. Bye bye.